Okay, so I am supposed to write f of t, which is 60 divided by 5 times 2 to the t over 11.2. Wait, this is 51 and 4.1. How about that? So I'm supposed to rewrite this sucker as what? What did they ask for? They asked for this kind of in standard form, right? So I'm supposed to write it as a b to the t. Okay, cool. First things first. Which bits don't have a t in their exponent?
60 and 5.
The 60 and the 5 don't seem to. So I'm going to break those off first, right? So I'm going to call that 60 over 5 times, what do I put on top over here? 1 over 2 to the t over 11.2.
Yeah. Which you're gonna make.
Cool? So, firsties first, what's easy now?
60 divided.
Yeah, so 60 over 5 reduces, and this thing here is going to be your a, right?
Yeah.
You guys all see that? Okay, so let's reduce that. You get 12. Okay, so your a is 12. What else should I do here?
Flip it.
Flip it. What do you mean, flip it?
You gotta receive a full of 2. So would you put 2 to 11.2 over here?
Okay, so we need to play with some exponents, right?
Yeah.
I need to get the t kind of out, right?
Yeah.
So there's a couple ways to do this. I'm going to do this in the flip and then pull that you guys sort of suggested, right? But there's other ways to do this. So first things first, I'm going to rewrite this as 2 to the minus t over 11.2, right? And then I want the t outside. So I'm going to rewrite as 12 times 2 to the minus 1 over 11.2, all to the t. Using an exponent rule? Yes? Copy? And now I'm going to be done.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a number.
Because a is 12 and b is
A number.
2 to the minus 1 over 11.2. Right? And if I wanted a number for this thing, I would go to a calculator, right? And get what? 0.940. Cool. Which is what? Like, how did they get that number? You guys see exponent-wise what this thing is? What's the minus mean?
It's a denominator.
Belongs in the bottom, and the 11.2 in the bottom of the power means that I need to do what? Yeah, I need a root for that, right? So this is the 11.2th root of 1/2. So this is the number that you multiply by itself 11.2 times, whatever the hell that means, to get 1/2, right? And so it's going to be a number just slightly smaller than 1. Like, cool? Questions, Steels?
Yes, what if I wrote it in like 12 times 1/2 to the power of?
Cool. That would also be fine. That's the same thing, right? So your b could also be 1/2 raised to the 1 over 11.2 power. Whatever you do, don't mix up the negative and the fact that the 11.2 is in the bottom of the exponent. You guys see that? Cool? Questions? All right, cool.